Hey, welcome to our tutorial, and I want to continue the programming without those ML and Link compilers, those GCC and any compiler which is now on today's world. Actually, the small, all big came from small. But all is came from the dot, something like that. Okay, so we are doing some dot here for the dots for the. It is a small knowledge, but it can grow. Okay, so like what I told you, like what I said. Okay, so in my tutorial, next time I will teach you this chemo. Okay, I have a chemo. Chemo is an emulator, chemotherapy. Okay. This every drive is a computer, and this is my MS-DOS computer. Okay, I install 3 diskettes on my computer, and let's order that computer emulator. It's like if you are doing mobile programming, that is the emulator in cell phone in Visual Studio. So meaning I created a small. It's like creating another computer inside your computer. So these are what we call virtual machine. Okay? Like in virtual machine, like Hyper-V in Windows, and what we call Oracle Hyper-V, okay, VMware, I think, yeah, VMware. So now chemo. So let's run our computer now, and make sure you are on the drive. But I'm not teaching chemo. Next time I will teach you how to install, how to create hundreds of computers in your PC as long as you have drive space and memory. Okay, so let's do it now. Let's run my chemo. Enter and done. What's for my chemotherapy is tutorial. So this now the one we ordered computer, and I managed to install the 3 diskette. Okay, and thank you for our Lord God Almighty who created us. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to run this, and please watch my DOS. You need. If you don't want to become a plain user of computer in your entire life, review my syntax lesson and the XC Combat. If we directory this one, there is this directory symbol, and you need to cd the DOS because this is a directory of folder now in Windows. Okay, let's make directory yourself. Too long. Teach yourself. TYS. Enter directory, and now we have CD TYS. Teach yourself. Okay, and it is no file here. So now what we're going to do is to take the path of the computer. So all the DOS command is in the path, so it's global, and you can run anywhere in the universe of the DOS. It's like a universe. And those program on the planets. Okay, so meaning you can access anywhere that is path, making global all the exe file and compile and batch file. Now what we're going to do now is copy con hello.txt. Copy con means keyboard, and assemble, move AX9, move DX, and DB hello world by dollar, terminating dollar, hit enter because it will execute by the with CX, and 14, and name hello.com, my hello.com, and write and quit enter. So this is the program, and press it. And what you're going to do, press F6 in your keyboard. Okay, F6 function key in your keyboard. Okay, okay class, and now press F6 everybody, and enter, and now created the file without any editor. Okay, so but there is edit in those hello.txt, and you can see what we type here. Okay, and Alt F exit, Alt FX CLS, and I just demonstrate all of those. Okay, it is possible. So now what we're going to do is to debug. I told you is / question mark, and these are the debug. My debug now is updated, not version 2. This is Windows 6.20. This is version DOS 6.22. So if you write debug, the one I demonstrated, then I'm frustrated because I press question mark, nothing happened in my DOS box DOS because it's version 2.0. Now you see in version 6 there is, and you can review all this command. Okay, so now you can quit now for a while and run what they are telling us to do here. Let's debug less than my hello.txt. I demonstrated greater than redirection in my XCombat tutorial. Please watch on that. And I'm going to enter this, and Bulaga. And now we have the .com, my hello, and it is running fine. Okay, so that's it. So meaning you can type all your assembly language because you know already the assembly language, and they have this converter to make it easy. And now what we're going to do is to perform this one again. We do it in what happened in assembly. So this debug, what he did is he assembled it in 100. Okay, in this offset of the memory. This is the base pointer of the memory. Move A8,9 and move the data to 108. How come become 108? I will tell you why. Interrupt 21 because 17, you see 17, that is 108, meaning the data in 108 put in the DX. Okay, so DB is hello world, and this is it. And that's why you see 108, meaning this DX is here. Okay, so it's pointing that DX data. Okay, so CX the counter later. Okay, let's continue our journey, and 114 here. So enter, that's the one executed, and RCA, read my counter, the XBXCXDX, I told you. So we are working 16-bit. Okay, EBX later I will give you some background in assembly. I told already XBXCXDX, ALBL, CLDL. Later I will show you that. And this CX 114 here, and what's the name is my hello2.com, Okay, and write that one and quit and voila, you have myhello2.com. No need to type .com. Okay, so that's how you do it. Then we run the debug here and we can unassemble myhello2. Okay, but what is the question? STDB address, assemble the in address, C range address, dump E address list, go hex input load move name or name path argument list and name path name load address paper sector number for argument speed. So okay, quit first and let's try debug myhello2.com and unassemble that. And you can see that these are the commands, and we dump to 100, and you can see this is the dump hello world. So this is how they do it. Okay, later I will show you why I'm teaching this. Okay, because of the debug, updated debug for today who are graphical user interface. So this is how we do it, and you can change hello world. Let's try to demonstrate this. Okay, so from here, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So start here. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next in 15 is 1, 0, which is on the left side. Okay, this is it, the 1, 0. Okay, this is the 1, 0. I'm telling you. Okay, so let's try to change RLD dollar and 24. Shows at symbol. Don't forget about it. I will code this until here. It happened that there's a lot of memory code here. But, never mind. Forget about it. Only that. We're going to focus on that. Because the computer is reading all of memories. It's there. Okay, so now let's change to, as you can see here there is a question mark here for help. Okay, so meaning help, I don't know what's happening. Okay, should be inside help. Then as you can see here, there is what we call E, letter E, A, B, C, D, E, address list, enter. So meaning we can enter an address list, but before that we dump first. Okay, so what happened here is, you see, if you click dump again, continuous. It is continuous area of memory. I don't know until you finish your memory. So we are going to dump to 100. Tell him that we are going to dump in the 100. Okay, so after that, we are going to start on 9, 0. Then we're going to start we're going to start in 9, right? So it should be here at 65. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's the 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And 1, 0 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's okay. Okay, let's try now to enter 109 teach world. Is that the link of hello world? Maybe. Then type enter, and now we jump to 100, and you can see this now is teach world. Okay. Then after that, you can call again the read CX. Okay. And you can type here 14 and name edited.com and write and quit. Okay. And we type here edited.com, edited only. So this is the word. So it should be 1010. It's not 109. So it's up to you. You can change it. You can play with it. Okay. So after that, we try to assemble our program. Okay. Let's try to assemble our teach ourselves program. Okay. Let's follow this. Okay. Uh-oh. Become giant. Control Alt Tab. Okay, so let to return to original. Okay. Sorry for that. Because this, once you are inside this computer, it will not affect the zoom it. Even though you type in zoom it will not run, because you are inside another PC. You are treated as you are in another PC. Okay, so move AH9. Okay, so try here, debug, assemble to 100, move AH9, DX 100, 108, X108, interrupt, move DX 108. You forgot the mnemonics. It will not create an opcode. Interrupt 21, return, and enter. DB define bytes, teach yourself, and press dollar and enter, and now it is 17. What do you mean by 17? That is not 17, that is not 117, that is a hexadecimal value. So if 14 is 20, so plus 3 is 27. No, 16 plus 7, 16 plus 7, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23. Oh, you see, 16 plus 7, 23. If you make it 24, it will add someone. Okay, let's try 24. Let's add 1 dot. Okay, and sorry, it should be enter and RCX read first, and we are going to type 24, reading CX 24, write. Before writing, just put the name. What's the name is teach yourself, tsy.com, enter, and write, and quit. As you can see, we have TYS, teach yourself, It is 36 bytes. Okay. It's okay. Did I type 36? 24, yeah, 36, 2. Yeah, 16 times 4. 16 times 2. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. It's okay. That's how at least we are, I think I type read CX 24. So what is 24? 2 times 16. 2 times 16. I'm not good now in mathematics because I always use calculator. 2 times 16 is 32, right? Plus 4. 36. Correct. So I'm wrong. But it's okay. You can reduce that. Just compute the 20. Just compute the length. But it's okay. It was terminated by the dollar. Okay. So now what we are going to do is to... What happened here is we created a program without a compiler. It's direct with the debugger. But I mean compiler, those GCC, those compiler ML, linker, and other file. Okay, so but it's possible, right? Yeah, so it's up to you to explore, because they are programming in assembly, and we can list our program in assembly. And we can assemble it, and they are just typing this. Okay, so now let's say we assemble at let's here. Okay, let's start DB60, DB60, DB65, DB60. I'm running in the one in the screen. Okay, DB60. Okay, did you follow what I'm doing? Okay, I will show it to you. What I'm doing is I'm typing on this area. Sorry for that. To position my cursor to run our. Okay. Move a little bit here and click here and run my drawing. Okay. So here I'm typing this. I'm typing here. Okay, I'm just typing here. Okay, let's try until here only 6F. Okay, DB60 and let's try now DB60 and DB6F. And let's try to enter and read CX our program, and the previous is 14. So what we type is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can just type 5 with CX5. Name my text. .txt and write it and quit. So directory my text.txt, edit my text.txt, enter, and hello. So meaning I think I did something wrong, but it's okay. So now it should be hello. Okay, so now what you know, you get what I mean now. So meaning you this is what I want to explain. Debug my hello.com. Okay, if you unassemble it. This is what I'm trying to explain to you guys. So try to explore this. Meaning this opcode of 68, it will never change in our life because it was set up. This 60 and 60 are the hexadecimal in the ASCII table. I want to show you. And this is how you call them. Okay? Defined by 65, 66. And this is this 3, 2776F. If you type that one, this is the one. So be aware on this, and only this is the human readable. This is the opcode and this is the human readable. Okay, so improve yourself, and I hope you know what I mean, because later on you can use some debugger software. You can use OD debug, IDE freeware, and this is how they do the cracking of the software. But don't do that. Just for tutorial, what I mean for student purposes. Okay, so now all this you can understand now, that these are the opcodes created by all this word. See, interrupt 3 is CC, interrupt 3 is CC. Is there any interrupt 3? Yes, CC, CC. Sisihin mo, lelong mong panot. No, just kidding. That's what it is. So this is what I'm trying to say. Because program is a stream of bytes. Remember that. It's like a water. It's like a this is just like a chain. Okay, a chain that the chain that starts from 0, and it becomes long connected to each other until they reach the end. That's the program. This is what we call a string. Okay, that's why if you found the base pointer of the calculator, you can track the length and ask the computer to read, and you have the file. That's why sometimes in debugging we're copying the bootloader, so you can load the first sector of the hard disk and etc. Then you can write again, and the diskette has become bootable. Okay, so as you can see here, EBP, source destination, and destination source in AT&T. Okay, that one will be inverted in AT&T programming. These are the format, Linux format. You click that one and it will become Linux format. The SP now is on the left. SP left, SP left. Okay, SP on the left, BP on the right, SP on the left. Okay, we will try to what's that? Is my program, is my Windows running? And exit this one. It runs the program while you are debugging it. Okay, so then it's gone. That's okay. So later on, I just want to give you that once you convert that, it will become inverted. This one transfer to the left and this one transfer to the left. The source and destination, the destination and the source. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today. I demonstrate on my previous window those. Okay, so it's clear now. Okay, so you see SP on the left. Okay, and let's try now the Masam format. SP on the left, SP on the left. Oh, see, SP now is on the right. So that's the difference between Windows and Linux. They are always fighting to each other. They inverted, no, not fighting. I mean, just to make it different. So what Windows did like that. The other one is Little Indian. The other one is I think they are the same in Indianis. Okay, so jump to this kernel, something like that, and we will jump to C process. Later I will give you this. Okay. I will make a tutorial on this and some other. That's how it works. So it is not hard. Just memorize all those and you can read down files. Okay, thank you for watching, and watch for my chemotherapy chemo emulator also, and those because this chemo we can run in developing operating system. If you want to make a small operating system, you will be happy. I will demonstrate that to you. So please watch my video. Please subscribe in my channel and share it to others. Please watch my syntax and XCombat to make you professional in using CMD. You want me to tell you why, and I will sit now. Let's say we type here Chemo 64 help greater than. If you type like that, are you going to read that? Huh? How do you understand? So many. It's never stop. You see? Then you put greater than chemotherapy help. Chemo help. And it will create a help file for you, and notepad.chemo help, and you are enjoying reading it. Okay, so winning version. So these are the machine type. That's why I'm begging you. If you want to understand computer, you need to watch my syntax. There is split vertical here, meaning on and off only, no on off. There's a property here, followed by the value, and look for the accel here. And this accel is a property, accel here. Okay? So what is control SMP? This is your CPU core number. You can type SMP is equal to 2. You have 4 core. So meaning you can learn. Let's say somebody give you the command. What is /m? The computer. Let's say the computer, the teacher gave me /m. Because there's a lot of help on the internet. So the Google gave me /m, /f. So what is /m? /m. So if you do not know reading the syntax, how do you learn? Oh, that is the size of memory in meg. So meaning this one is a mass. You need to type. So it's /m 16 meg. You can maximum size, max memory size. So it's /m 16 MB. Configure the guest RAM. You see? So many things to learn. you do not know the syntax, sorry, I will not teach you. If you cannot improve yourself, you become just a plain user of computer in your entire life. Selecting all the shortcut is enough for me. Actually, I'm talking about those who love computer, okay, and they want to concentrate on IT while developing. I can teach you that also. I study all of that, and I created an apps. I try to compile, disassemble, reading all those, and it's hard. It's easy. What I'm telling you, I can teach you the technique in reading all those messages. Okay, so like what I told you, everything came from the dot, and this dot you can make it grow. And I'm the dot sometimes. In sharing the knowledge in IT, I'm happy to become a dot. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Teach yourself. Always remember, there is a greater person than you are. I'm not good. Okay, so I just concentrate on studying. Keep digging, keep searching. Okay? How they do it. Review their codes. Now we are happy, and I am happy we have a ChatGPT that can answer all my questions easily, and can explain to me very fast. Okay, thanks for the GPT. And my robot always not warn to me. I will show you that later again.